Hi folks, in today's video I'm going to be taking this painted plastered wall and paneling it to give us this. Before we kick off, if you want to have a go at this paneling or you've got any questions about the project, then if you stick around to the end of this video, you'll find the link which will take you across to the full build episode. For this one, it's all about just showing you what we got up to. So enjoy the video and we'll see you at the end. What is going on? It's not Easter. What are you wearing?
She found it, what's it on?
And
You can say hop little bunny.
she.
Well, there we go, that's a wrap on this paneling project. It's worked out really well and I'm really pleased with how it just ties in with the room around the corner where we've done a similar style of paneling. The idea for this is all about practicalities as well as looks. When you're coming down here with washing or scooters, pushchairs, or the dog comes in from a walk and shakes, all of this can be wiped down. It's much easier to maintain than emulsion all the way down. Now I'm going to be going into all of the details of this build in a separate video, and you can follow the link that I'm going to put up now. That will tell you all the hows, the whys, the whats and the wheres of the processes that we were involved here. So if you've got any questions, then head across there. But that's it. Thank you for watching. Remember, if you can, do it yourself, and we'll see you next time.